Exploring plant-based recipes, a healthy choice. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based recipes. Whether you're a seasoned vegan, curious about plant-based eating, or just looking for some healthy meal ideas, this video is for you. We'll explore what plant-based recipes are, their benefits, and how you can incorporate them into your daily life. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Plant-based recipes are meals that are entirely made from plants. This includes vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. They do not contain any animal products, which means no meat, dairy, or eggs. The focus is on whole, minimally processed foods that are packed with nutrients. Eating plant-based meals has numerous health benefits. It's linked to a lower risk of heart disease, obesity, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. These recipes are often high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals while being lower in calories and saturated fats. Not only is it good for your health, but it's also better for the environment. Plant-based eating requires less water and land and produces fewer greenhouse gases compared to diets high in animal products. Starting with plant-based recipes can be easy and enjoyable. Here are a few tips. Start small. Incorporate plant-based meals into your diet 1 or 2 days a week. Experiment with replacements. Try using plant-based alternatives for meat and dairy products in your favorite recipes. Explore international cuisines. Many cultures around the world have a rich tradition of plant-based cooking. Discover new dishes and flavors to keep your meals exciting. Let's get practical. Here are a few simple plant-based recipes to get you started. Veggie stir-fry with tofu. A quick and easy dish packed with colorful vegetables and protein-rich tofu. Lentil soup. A hearty and comforting meal, perfect for cold days. Quinoa salad. A light and nutritious option that can serve as a side or a main dish. We hope this video inspires you to explore the world of plant-based recipes. Remember, making even small changes towards a plant-based diet can have a big impact on your health and the planet. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and discover new favorite dishes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!